A child spends maximum time in school as a student. The school infrastructure then becomes a major factor behind how a child sees the world as he grows up. Our campus is set in spacious open natural surrounding conducive to physical and mental growth of students. Our school is the first to offer a cutting edge in form of technology that is through step and learn lessons, in which concepts are projected through the projector mounted on the ceiling and students use their feet and hands to interact with the screen on the ground. Ideally, kindergarten is a smooth, sunny introduction to real school for our children. Since it sets the stage for the rest of the education, keeping this in mind, we have made our classrooms spacious and colorful, well equipped with variety of toys, puzzles and games. We are pleased to feature the Montessori lab, which makes little kids understand things early. We have the biggest kindergarten in the city with a kids' castle, where children can discover and develop fine and gross motor skills to enhance their learning abilities. We have Sportathon, the new age sports education program in our school, which works to implement at elementary level. Regular fitness and exercises are the core principles of our pedagogy. Shiv Jyoti Convent School believes that learning should not be confined to the classrooms. We offer students the opportunity to discover their interests through activities like drama, dancing, music, etc. Digital boards creating a revolution in education embedded with modern-day interactive classrooms, offering student-friendly environment. Labs help students understand the theoretical concepts taught in the classrooms. We provide our children a range of reference books, encyclopedia, journals, and newspapers to enrich their classroom activities and knowledge. In addition to teaching, our school believes in maintaining a better relationship between students and teachers by offering counseling from classes playgroup to 12. We provide swimming pools for children to overcome their fear of water. For seniors, the swimming pool is especially designed keeping in mind the national sports parameters for various competitions and events. For junior, a separate pool is provided to get accustomed and familiar with water, maintaining the highest level of security and privacy. Fun Station and Toy Train acts as the motivators for our children and help them finish the task on time. Choose the best school in Kota for your child. Visit 825 at Shiv Jyoti Convent School and call at 9351 996 999 for queries.